outdoor kitchens ideas, designs and tips for the perfect al fresco space. 1. Find a budget outdoor kitchen. Once you've worked out your budget, shop around to find a range that's right for you. IKEA has a fantastic range of affordable outdoor kitchen products, including this charcoal barbecue with a detachable trolley and storage cabinet. They also, of course, have matching garden furniture to complete the look. 2. Choose your cooking style. Are you more of a barbecue buff or a grilling guru? Whatever your preferred cooking method, there's something for you. Choose from an outdoor kitchen barbecue, pizza oven, hob, grill or a combination of them all. 3. Position a place for food prep. Make sure that you have ample space for food preparation. You won't want to have to walk back and forth to the kitchen or garden table with all your food in tow. Be sure to keep cooked and uncooked food separate so as not to contaminate one another. 4. Choose a weatherproof countertop. Your outdoor kitchen is going to be exposed to all weather conditions, so it's important to choose a suitable material for your work surface. Avoid wood, and go for a concrete or stainless steel instead. You could use stone tiles, slabs or flagstones, too, but they should be treated with an acrylic sealer. This will make them more weather resistant and easier to clean. 5. Install an outdoor sink. For the full al fresco experience, include a sink in your outdoor kitchen so you can do your washing up in the open air, too. However, installing the plumbing required can be costly. You could look to positioning your sink on an external wall of the house, below an existing outdoor tap to minimize the cost, but you'll still need to consider a hot water supply. 6. Take shelter. Given the endearing unreliability of the British weather, it's a good idea to think about building a cover for your outdoor kitchen. Go for a fold-away option to take advantage of the glorious sunshine when it comes. 7. Keep it cool. When you've got guests round on a summer's evening, you've got to keep the drinks flowing. Install an outdoor fridge or wine cooler to keep bottles within arm's reach,